2014 Nissan Maxima 3.5 liter V6. What we got done, it's got factory converters there. They're all tucked in the motor somewhere, there and there. Then it's got flex pipes and it singles out into a third converter right there. Then we did a massive 3-inch system, 3-inch into a vibrant 3-inch bottle muffler. Part number 1794. We'll have a link in the description for it for you guys. Then we continued the 3-inch pipe all the way into a 3-inch to 2 1/4 stamped Y pipe for better flow, true flow. Then 2 1/2-inch pipe on each side, right there and right there, into massive 5-inch tips. Because you know what? Why not, right? And it looks phenomenal. It fills that gap really nicely in the bumper and everything. Come get you guys some. Hope you guys like it. And if you do, smash that like button, subscribe, comment, and definitely share with your friends and family and everybody that has a Maxima. Oh, that's perfect. Wow. That's a new setup. I like this setup. That sounds mean, man. Wow. No rest. You notice that? Again? Let you guys hear the sound decibels. Again? It peaked at 110, bro. Go ahead and back it out. Oh, it looks so sick. Come see it in the camera. It looks so good too. Because it pushes it back, you know? Oh man, it's so deep. Those tips make a huge difference. I love going with those tips. They're 5-inch by 18s. He came out sounding better than the other one. Because the other one had that the Y pipe. It wasn't that good. This is a true flow of Y pipe on it. One more. Let you guys hear on the inside. Beast. 5-inch tips. How deep that is.